Hi, I'm Greha. Today I'm here with an essay, My Life During Lockdown. Sleepless night. Working hard, preparing for my ninth class final exam. Few days before my paper, our Prime Minister declared a lockdown all over the country. This news devastated everyone. The news channels were flooded with the news of lockdown and pandemic. The movement all over the country was stopped. The streets were filled with silence. The people were isolated in their own house. Whole world was fighting against the invisible deadly enemy coronavirus. This virus has changed many lives in good and also in a bad way. For me, lockdown has brought several opportunities. In the beginning, it was fun not to wake up early, no pressure of being late, attending school in my own comfort zone. What else I want? Mobile phones were not allowed in school, but now, ironically, we were attending schools using a mobile phone. Lockdown has came with many good memories to me. Spending time with my family, chit-chatting, playing games with them was one of it. Lockdown gave me opportunity to focus on my interests. With my mom, I made different dishes of different cuisine. I started habit of reading and yoga in the morning. I was preparing for my board examination. Online studying has always been a headache, but it was a do or die situation. I worked hard with all my dedication, but again, the world was against me. For the first time in the annal of history, the board exams were cancelled. I had an ambivalent feeling what to do next. I was puzzled. Days passed. I scored good percentage based on my ninth class performance. Lockdown came to an end. Everyone was fully vaccinated and now can go window shopping without any hesitation. Steadily, life of millions and billions of people was getting back to normal. Lockdown has played a vital role in everyone's life. It has taught me to value time and to value people. Each day of lockdown has been valuable and enduring days of my life.